Hello everyone, can you hear me? Hope you can hear me. Yes, let us start. My name is Santosh. Okay, my company name is Sanvihan Technologies, which is nothing but software training and development company. Okay, in this we provide software trainings, corporate trainings, and workshops in colleges. In software trainings, we give trainings on Java technologies, Python technologies, full stack data science and AML, AWS, DevOps, Azure, GCP, etc. In corporate trainings, we go to IT companies and provide corporate trainings, and we provided corporate trainings for the companies called Tech Mahindra, Capgemini, HCL Technologies, etc. Workshops is nothing but in workshops we gave workshops in colleges like Guru Nanak College, Vignan, Jyotishmati College, and several colleges. Okay, in workshops, we gave the workshops for faculty development program, student development program, and gave guest lectures. Okay, guest lectures we have given for Usmania University, Guru Nanak College, Vignan College, Vasav Engineering College, CBIT College, MGIT College, and recently we have given the workshop in Delhi Public School. Okay, we gave the workshop for 10th class for artificial intelligence workshop. Okay, 10th class people also are learning artificial intelligence. In CBSE syllabus for 10th class, they have artificial intelligence. Okay, 8th class people are having Python. So, artificial intelligence is very, very, very important concept. Okay, this is about myself and my company. I have total 18 plus years of experience. I have total 18 plus years of experience in IT industry. I worked on the projects like Lloyds Bank, Northern Trust, Verizon, Walmart, IKEA. Okay. Currently, I'm working in a IT company as solution architect in AWS DevOps. Okay. I worked on full stack data science and AI/ML for one project when I was working in Tech Mahindra. In Tech Mahindra, when I was working in Tech Mahindra, I worked for face recognition project by using artificial intelligence. Okay. I have total 15 plus years of experience in training various technologies as discussed earlier. And I trained 1000 plus students. 90% students are placed in MNC companies. In MNC companies. Okay. See, we give the training and we provide placement assistance to the students who joined the course. Suppose if you join the course for this full stack data science and AI, then we provide training. After training, we give uh, training on real-time projects and where we use all these artificial intelligence in real-time project. Okay, currently we are developing a artificial intelligence project like Naukri. You have Naukri, right? Like Naukri, we are developing other project also by using artificial intelligence. Okay. Now coming to full stack data science and AML. First of all, if you learn this full stack data science and AML, what we learn in this course, what you're going to learn in this course. when you learn this full stack data science and AML. First of all, you will be learning what is full stack data science. Okay, in full stack data science, we will be teaching you Python programming, R programming, next mathematics, statistics, algebra, calculus, these all things we will be teaching. Next, machine learning. We will be having machine learning and we will be teaching, in machine learning, we will be teaching all the, like what you say, reinforcement learning, bias theorem, and all the things. Next, artificial intelligence. Okay. Next, generative AI and LLM. We will be teaching generative AI and LLM also. Next, we will be teaching agentic AI. Agentic AI. What is the difference between generative AI and agentic AI? If you go to chatgpt.com, in chatgpt, you will be typing something. When you type something, you will be getting getting the result. Who will be giving you the result? How the result is generated? Okay, that result generation is nothing but by using generative AI. By using generative AI. Okay, what is this agentic AI? Agentic AI is nothing but one agent will be giving you the result. One agent will be giving you the result. Okay, they are the developers who is developing chat gpt or any what you say, uh, any kind of if you suppose if you are searching, for example, I want to write an email to your manager. Okay, then agent will be taking the request from chat gpt, and they will be developing and they will be generating the outputs, generating the output. Okay, the agent's working is nothing but agentic AI. Okay, we will be learning all these things in our course, Full Stack Data Science and AI/ML. Okay, here, who can learn this course? First of all, I told you what we learn in this course. This is the snippet of learning this course. This is a snippet. Next, who can learn this course? Anyone can learn this course. School students, 8th grade to 10th grade, beginners, who are students, who are freshers, who are career switchers. Okay, those all members can learn this course. Next, IT professionals, who are developers, who are testers, who are support engineers, who wants to switch the job from one technology to other technology. Suppose if any person is working in testing, okay, the testers want to switch the job with high salary, then they can learn this course and they can switch the job. Next, non-technical professionals, who are sales executive, who is HR, who is marketing executive, who is working on operations, who is a doctor, who is a teacher, who is a chartered accountant, who are the professors. Those all members can learn this course and they can switch the job with a good salary, with highest package. Okay, any graduate can learn this course. If you are BSc Computers or BCom or BJC, okay, any graduate can learn this course. Next, any postgraduate also can learn this course. Who is studying MCA, okay, who completed MSc Maths, who completed MSc Physics, okay, who completed MSc Chemistry, those all members can learn this course. Okay, and who has career gap professionals also can learn this course. For example, you completed your BTech in 2018, okay, and your gap is 7 years. If you want to fill your gap, you can learn this course and you can fill your gap. Next, working professional for different domain. For example, in an IT company, a person is working as a manager. Okay, he wants to switch the company or he wants to switch the technology. Then, though that person also can learn this course. Next, teacher also can learn this course. Suppose a teacher who is teaching some other subject like mathematics or science or English, then he can also learn this course and he can also teach AI in the schools. Nowadays, 10th class students are having AI subject in the computers. Next, engineer, who is civil engineering. Okay, one person, he completed civil engineering and he has he has worked for 10 years. After 10 years, he wants to switch to AI. Okay, those persons also can learn this course. Next, who are willing to change the stream like civil engineering to IT, then they also can learn this course. Okay. Managers also can learn this course. Means not a IT manager. Like if any person is working in construction company, okay, that in that construction company he is a manager. Then he will be learning the course and he will be switching the company. Okay. This artificial intelligence is used in everywhere. Everywhere in the sense in the construction business, in hospital industry, in restaurants, okay, in ISRO, anywhere. This AI is used everywhere. Okay, all the members can learn this course and get the job and grow their future. Okay, everyone can learn this course. You don't need to think that, hurry, I cannot learn this course. You don't need to think like that. Okay, anyone can learn this course and they can switch the job or they can do any type of operations with this full stack data science and artificial intelligence and ML. Next, what we are having in this course, what you will be having. See, in data science, you will be having a Python programming, R programming, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, SQL, Dask, PySpark, these all things. Okay, in machine learning, you'll be learning Scikit, okay, ML Flow, Docker, Streamlit, these all things. Next, after data science, I will be teaching machine learning. After machine learning, I will be teaching deep learning. Okay, in deep learning, you'll be having PyTorch, TensorFlow, okay, Keras, Torch Vision, these all things. After deep learning, I will be teaching you generative AI. Okay, in generative AI, we will be teaching stable diffusion, diffusers, midjourney, runaway ML, these all things. Okay, we will be teaching line by line. Okay, don't worry on the subject. First, learn the subject, get the subject, and grab the opportunity. Next, we will be teaching LLMs. Okay, after LLMs, we will be teaching agentic AI. Agentic AI. Next, prompt engineering. Next, cloud and DevOps. Okay, what are the jobs you will be having when for this data science, AI, ML, and generative AI? See here, these many jobs you will be having. See how many jobs you will be having. See here, data science. For data science, you will be having data analyst, business intelligence analyst, data scientist, quantitative analyst, machine learning engineer, risk analyst. For AML, you will be having AML engineer, research scientist, computer vision engineer, NLP engineer, a product manager, applied scientist, these all things. For generative AI, Gen AI developer, a content creator, AML research intern, creative technologist, and AI product designer. Okay, how many jobs you'll be having when you learn this course? See, there are so many jobs. So if you learn one course, you'll be getting plenty of jobs and you can apply plenty of jobs. Okay, in AML, in Capgemini, you have 200 openings. Now, 200 openings in AML in Capgemini. There are so many openings in MNC companies, but they are not getting the correct developers. They are not getting the correct developers. Okay, if you learn this course, then if you grab the opportunity, you will be getting the good package. For example, a 4 years experienced person will be getting 20 lakhs of package. I will tell you one situation. One of my friend, he has been working in Nissan Technologies. In Nissan Technologies. Then I taught him this full stack data science and AML. Okay. Then next he got the job in Goldman Sachs. And he is working as AML engineer. Okay. He is getting 50 lakhs of package. He is getting 50 lakhs of package. Okay. With this full stack data science and AML, we will be getting good packages. We will be getting good packages. Next, prompt engineering. If you learn prompt engineering, you will be getting, these are the roles you will be having. If you put your resume as data science specialist, then you can apply with data analyst, business intelligence analyst, data scientist, quantitative analyst, machine learning engineer, and risk analyst. If you put in your resume only A and ML, you will be getting these types. Generative AI, you will be getting these roles. Prompt engineering, then you will be getting these type of roles. And agentic AI, you will be getting these type of roles. Okay. Here in agentic AI, you will be getting AI developer advocate also. Okay. Advocates also can learn this AML. Advocates also can learn this AML. Architects. If you say like a building architect can also learn this course. Okay. He can get the role of agentic AI architect. Okay. An engineering graduate who completed his civil engineering, he can apply to the role of AI automation engineer. AI automation engineer. Okay, these are the jobs in the market you will be having when you learn this full stack data science and AML. Okay, full stack data science and AML. These are the jobs you will be having. Next, why AI ML with generative AI and agentic AI? Here, in artificial intelligence and generative AI, you will be having automation of the code and less coding. You don't have much coding comparing to other programming languages. For example, you take Java. Okay, in Java, if you want to add two numbers, you will be writing some 10 lines of code. For example, take C language. If you want to write the program for addition of two numbers, you will be writing some 8 lines of code. Okay, but in Python, you don't need to write. Within one line, your code will be completing. Okay, your program will be completing within one line. 1 minute. Yes. Here, if you learn this full stack data science and AML, the code will be automized and you should write less coding comparing to other programming languages. Okay, anyone can understand the code what you have written in this generative AI and agentic AI. Okay, the prerequisite for this artificial intelligence is Python. Okay, we will be teaching Python in this course. Okay, and it is completely different from Java, C, C++, Smalltalk, Scala, everything. And this course contains high demand and your career will be very good when learning this course. Your career will be very good, very good. And you have global opportunities. Okay, and the data grows rapidly. What is this data? Okay, suppose for example, why we should learn this course? I'll tell you one example, small example. Why we should learn this course, data science and AI. See, we have the human resources. Okay, we have human resources. Here we have a restaurant. For example, you take a restaurant. Okay, a restaurant owner want to keep the 100 waiters. Okay, 100 waiters. Okay, 100 employees. He has to put 100 employees to serve the food. To serve the food. Instead of that, instead of that, he can buy two robots and that robots can serve the food in the restaurant. Okay, that two robots only serves the food in total restaurant. Okay, then the jobs of that waiters will be going. They will be losing their jobs. Okay, robots will be serving the food in the restaurant. Means this AI is used in restaurants. Okay, and in Facebook, for example, you take in Facebook, in 1 second, how many TBs of data is generating? It is generating lot of data in 1 second. It is generating lot of data in 1 second. I want to process the total data. Okay, how can you process the total data? By using this AI. Okay, if you want to process so much of data, there is no other programming language to process the data. Okay, and it produces more data and it contains more advanced techniques. Okay, and decision making will be effective by using this artificial intelligence. Okay, and we have powerful libraries to find the business trends, the patterns using for the data analyst and data visualization. You have predictive model and forecasting. Okay, now let us discuss on the syllabus what I teach in this course. 1 minute. Yeah, this is the syllabus you will be having. First, first I will be teaching you Python. First, I will be teaching you Python. Okay, in Python, I will be teaching you Python basics. Okay, Python basics. What is Python and all the things? Python data types and utilities. Okay, then I will be going to functions, packages, oops concepts, and all the things. Okay, Python. After Python, I will be teaching you pandas, aliasing, data frame, series of objects, these all things. Okay, after that, I will be going to matplotlib, seaborn. After that, I will be teaching you mathematics. Mathematics. Okay. After mathematics, I will be teaching you statistics. Statistics. After statistics, I will be teaching you SQL. SQL. Okay. After SQL, I will be teaching you machine learning. Okay. What is machine learning and what are the types of machine learning methods? Okay. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, reinforcement learning. Okay. This multi-class classification. These all things I will be teaching in machine learning. Okay. After machine learning, I will be going to clustering. Clustering. Okay. Then I will be going to deep learning. After deep learning, I will be teaching you generative AI, open AI, generative AI, chat GPT. Okay. We will be developing our own chat GPT project. Okay. We will be developing our own chat GPT project. After chat GPT project, then I will be giving you how to develop any forecasting project. Okay, any type of project. Okay, these all things we will be developing in our course. In our course, this is nothing but full stack data science and AI ML. This is nothing but full stack data science and AI ML. Okay, and here this course is of 4 to 5 months course. Course duration 4 to 5 months. Daily 1 hour. Timings 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Timings are 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay. First, we will provide theory class. Second, practical. It will be practical based. It will be practical based. Okay. Next, third one is we will conduct mock interviews. Mock interviews. We will be giving you interview questions and answers. Interview questions and answers. Next, resume preparation. Next, mock tests. Mock tests. Next, taking the interviews. Okay. These are the things we will be covering in our course. Okay. These are the things we will be covering in our course. Okay. This is totally 4 to 5 months duration. The course name is Full Stack Data Science and AML. Full Stack Data Science and AML. Full Stack Data Science and AI ML. Okay. First of all, first of all, first of all, we will be teaching you Python. Okay. In Python, we will be teaching from basics. From basics. Okay. How to install Python, how to download Python, and how to download these all libraries and all the things. Okay. So, Tomorrow onwards, we will be starting actual class, and the timings will be 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay? Let us continue tomorrow. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Good. Okay.
Yes, hello Santosh.
Sorry, any doubts?
Yeah, Santosh, this is Ravi here.
Yeah.
So, what all will be learning in this upcoming days? I mean, the content you provided the complete content with that will be running in the 5 months, right? So, what will be getting to introduced within these days?
Sorry, I did not get you. What will?
No, you explained right now that we are going to be learning all the topics in the 4 to 5 months of duration for every
Yes.
1 hour in a day.
Yes.
So I just wanted to know what will we be like getting introduced to in the upcoming classes for the next 4 to 5, I mean 5 to 6 days that we are planning for.
Hmm. No, in 4 to 5 months of course, okay,
Okay.
what you will be learning means data science, okay, Python, mathematics,
No,
statistics.
I have been through the complete explanation that you have given
Mm,
previously.
mm.
I just wanted to know what are the contents that will be getting introduced in the next coming 5 days.
Next coming 5 days.
Yeah, I
See,
mean,
that is, see, 1 minute.
okay.
This is the syllabus.
Yeah.
This is the syllabus. Okay.
Yes.
I will be starting from basics. I
Okay.
won't tell that next 5 days. Okay. The
Okay.
syllabus is for 4 to 5 months.
Absolutely.
Okay, in this 4 to 5 months, I will be starting from basics. From basics to it will go on up to 4 to 5
So
months.
okay, I'm going to say it will be starting from the Python and it will go as per the sequence that you're showing to me, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
fine.
like this.
No, I just thought if we are getting introduced to every topic every day or so.
1 minute.
Okay.
Like this. See, Python. Okay, these all things will be taught. Next, machine
No,
learning. These all things will be taught. We will
no,
go line by line. Okay.
mhm.
I could not say these 5 days. What should I? What will I teach? Why? Because we are
Okay.
going line by line, right?
Okay, fine.
First,
That's what I wanted to know. Like, is it line by line or we'll be touching the topic every day and then we'll be
yeah,
proceeding?
line by line, line by line. See, first we will study
Okay,
first class, second class, third class, fourth class, like that.
got it.
Okay. Now, in these 5 days, you first of all, on the first day, you can study first class, and on the second year, you can study second class. But are you perfect in first class or not? No. Okay, some members will be perfect, some members will not be perfect. Then they should learn more. Okay, I could not say that I will complete tomorrow, I will complete this topic. Okay, in these 5 days, I could not say that I will complete this topic.
Okay, fine. I got it.
Yeah.
Thank you for the information.
Okay. Any more doubts? And you can ask the doubts in the career, like how you will be switching, how you will, means if you are doing, for example, you are working in any company. Okay, as a Java developer. Okay, you want to switch as a AI developer. Then how can you switch? That all things also you can ask, no problem. Okay, if you don't have any doubts, we'll continue tomorrow at 7 p.m. Thank you. Okay, and I want to show you my what you say, my LinkedIn and YouTube also. Okay, if you have any doubts or anything, you can, I will send you in WhatsApp. Okay, you can